Is turmeric good for the kidneys? I hope you might have used this yellow color spice in golden milk or latte that tastes slightly better with an earthy and musky flavor. This is turmeric that originates from India. Perhaps you have consumed this spice for its potent health benefits as a proactive health supplement or a medicinal thing that somewhat would have benefited you with its excellent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Well, turmeric has a lot of uses for culinary and medicinal purposes as it adds taste and flavor to your food. Plus, it takes care of your health, being a powerful herb that comes with many phytochemicals and antioxidants. In today's video, we will explore whether turmeric is good for your kidneys. If yes, then how? Also, we will discuss whether a kidney patient should consume turmeric. If yes, then how much? Hello and good afternoon. I am Dr. Amisha. I welcome you to Bharat Homeopathy. I have long experience in treating kidney diseases over the years, and today I will discuss whether you should consume turmeric for your kidney health, thinking of its benefits. See, being a powerful herb, turmeric can be good for several health conditions such as arthritis, diabetes, psoriasis, digestive issues, and even cancer. However, when it comes to kidney health, we should be cautious as turmeric could be beneficial for some kidney conditions while potentially being harmful for others. So, let's begin the discussion. First, let's discuss the benefits of turmeric. So, you will get an outline of how turmeric is beneficial. Turmeric contains a volatile compound called termerone and a powerful antioxidant curcumin, which colors turmeric yellow. Termerones have been seen to show some anti-cancerous, immunomodulatory and antimicrobial properties, whereas curcumin is a potent polyphenol that exhibits anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies have shown that consuming curcumin reduces osteoarthritis pain and inflammation with the same effect as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen. Since it is an anti-inflammatory, it has been shown to reduce bone loss in rheumatoid arthritis. Well, all this discussion about the benefits of turmeric, now we will talk about how it benefits your kidneys. Some studies have suggested that consuming curcumin supplements increases the beneficial gut microbial flora that inhibits certain toxic activity. This can be beneficial for managing chronic kidney disease. Curcumin stimulates the release of certain proteolytic enzymes that break down proteins, which help reduce the level of uremic toxins like indoxyl sulfate, precressyl sulfate, and 3-indole acetic acid. All of these lead to the progression of chronic kidney disease. See, curcumin may work for your condition if the disease has not progressed to its advanced stages. If you are dealing with the last stage of chronic kidney disease and your symptoms are worsened, then you should not use turmeric or curcumin for your kidney health, as there is limited data to back the claim of improvement in kidney disease with curcumin. Also, if you are someone who is dealing with high blood pressure and renal disease, then you should avoid taking high doses of curcumin supplements as it may interact with kidney medications and blood thinning medicines, leading to more damage. Alright, we have discussed the role of curcumin in chronic kidney disease. Now, I will take you to how curcumin benefits the hemodialysis patients. Kidney patients often need hemodialysis to filter out the waste and extra fluid from their body. Meanwhile, hemodialysis also removes beneficial antioxidants from the blood, leading to more oxidative stress. Since turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it will be possible to use it as a complementary supplement for hemodialysis patients. Again, the quantity and condition of the disease matter. If you consider taking curcumin for its antioxidant properties, you should first talk to your doctor if you have CKD in the advanced stage. Curcumin has been seen to show an improvement in autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease, which is a hereditary kidney disease. In this condition, a patient develops multiple cysts in both kidneys. Again, the quantity, disease condition, and duration should be considered. See, if you consume curcumin in large quantities, it may cause a stone formation in the kidneys. Since it contains oxalates, everything has its own pros and cons, and this is very much true with curcumin too. It is benefit and harms both. What matters is the quantity and kidney condition for which you are taking it. I hope you understood what I explained about turmeric, its benefits, and when you should be mindful before taking it. If you have any questions related to kidney diseases, you can call us and talk to us. We would be happy to help you and address your concerns promptly. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related updates. Thanks. Have a nice day.